Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Ivana by Anvita Projects, which is located on the outer ring road, Kollur, Hyderabad road. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is just few minutes from here. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be also discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. This project will be constructed on 12.9 acres of land parcel featuring 6 towers with 3 basement ground and 36 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located near Nehru Outer Ring Road, Kollur, Hyderabad. So this is going to be your entire connectivity. From over here, you easily get connected to your financial district and other areas. So your Neopolis Circle is just 9.4 kilometers away and Ocean Park, that is just 15 kilometers from here. Now, let's have a look at the amenities part. So the project comes with modern amenities including a grand clubhouse, there's going to be pool, kids play area, gymnasium and a lot more. Coming over to the super built up area. So the super built up area for 2 BHK is 1360 square feet and 3 BHK is 1720 to 2390 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, you see the booking process right now, the windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share you the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be taken at the sample flat apartment and the actual location site for more details. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the teaser of Ivana by Anvita Groups project, which is located in Kollur, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.